May ilalabas bukas ang korte sa The Hague at need niyong malaman. Pero hindi to si Duterte ha, yung isa pang korte, yung International Court of Justice or ICJ na korte ng United Nations. Bukas, after more than 2 years of waiting, ilalabas na ng ICJ ang desisyon nila tungkol sa hinihiling advisory opinion ng mga bansa na laging nabibiktima ng masamang epekto ng climate change. At kasali tayo doon. Vanuatu ang nagdulog ng kasong ito sa ICJ at tumulong tayo sa kanila. Basically, we are asking the court for legal guidelines kung paano yung mga malalaking bansa na nakakasama pa sa epekto ng climate change ay magbayad naman sa ating mga nabibiktima. Polluters must pay, kumbaga. We've been waiting a long time for this. It is called a defining legal moment for mankind.
It's an honor and privilege to appear before this court on behalf of the Republic of the Philippines.
But it's not without its flaws at ayaw rin naman namin kayong paasahin. So tomorrow, join us for a watch party, Wednesday night, July 23, starting 8:30 p.m. with me and Rappler's environment reporter, Iya Gozong, so we can thresh this out. See you bukas.